Hi everybody, today I will show you WooCommerce checkout page customization. So let's just begin. Alright, so as you can see here, we are inside our WordPress dashboard and this is how our checkout page looking currently. Okay, so we'll just go back to our dashboard. Alright, so now we will actually learn about the customization of the checkout page. So first of all, I would like to install a plugin. So I will go into the plugin, add a new plugin, and I will simply add cart flows here. And you will be able to see this plugin WooCommerce checkout and funnel builder by the cart flows. So I have to install this and now I have to activate this. And now you can see here that the cart flow is activated and you can also see the option of cart flow in our sidebar. So I will simply go into the cart flows. Cart flows actually comes with a lot of the different checkout templates that we can use, and we can also build from the scratch as well. So let's just go into the store checkout. Alright, so you can actually see the store checkout here. So I have to create a store checkout so I can import a ready template for the checkout page, and we can also create it from the scratch. So we will actually use a ready template here. So I would just actually import the ready template. Now you can see here we have bunch of different templates here. You can also see the pro templates here, which actually comes with the pro version of this plugin. Okay, but we can actually use the free templates. Okay, so I will actually check out this one. So let's just check out this, go back and check out this, go back, and we will also check out this template as well. All right, okay, so now you can see here I have opened the three different tabs, okay, to preview the three different templates. Also, okay, so this is the first one template. So in this template you can see we have the checkout page, we have the upsell page, and we have the thank you page. All right, so as you can see here in the checkout page we have to add some basic details that are needed to make a purchase: the customer information, the billing detail, and ship to a different address, and the payment method, and you can see the detail of our order here. So after placing the order, it will actually redirect the page to the thank you page. Alright, so this is the first template. So let's just go back and have a look at other templates as well. Okay, we have the three pages. We have the same detail. You can also have the money back guarantee and the testimonial here. All right, and after placing the order we will go into the thank you page, as you can see here. And we also have this template here in which we have the landing page, we have the checkout page, and we have the thank you page. Alright, so as you can see the details here, okay, we have to fill the same kind of details in every template. Okay, so let's just delete these templates from here. Alright, and just pick any one from the cash flow. So I just want to go with this one. Alright, so what I need to do, just I have to import the flow, and it will actually create the checkout page for us. Okay, so if you want to use this template as the checkout page of your store, what you need to do, you have to enable the store checkout. All right, so I just enable the store checkout here. Okay, so let's just go into the settings. We don't have anything special in the settings, so I would actually go into our store, and as you can see here, let me just add this thing into the cart. Go to the cart from here, and I will actually go into the checkout, and you can see here we have added the checkout template into our store checkout page. Okay, so this is how we can add the checkout template in our store using the cart flows. Alright, so now we will actually learn to customize this checkout page. Okay, so let's just go into the edit. Alright, so now you can see here we are actually editing our checkout page with the Elementor. Okay, so let's just click on anything here. So I just want to add my own description here, so you can simply add your description from here. Alright, so this is my own description, and you can even add a link here. So you can even change the style from here. Okay, you can change the text color if you want to. Okay, this is how it works. This is how you can change the text color, and you can change the typography of your text. Okay, from here, from primary, secondary, text alternate, Alright, so you can even customize it even more. Okay, you can choose the font here, you can choose the size here, width, transform, style, decoration, and etc. Okay, so you can actually edit it from here. If you want to add the text stroke, you can add it from here. For the text shadow, you can edit the text shadow from here. Alright, so this is how you can edit the text, and you can even go into the advanced setting and you can mess up with these properties here. Okay, so in the similar way, I can actually change the heading, I can change the logo if I wanted to change the logo. So let's just change the logo here, and we have the logo of Google. So let's select this, and this is how you can change the logo. And you can change this as well. Let's say it is a card, I can even change the name here, I can change the icon here, and I can change the link here. In the similar way, for the information and the finish, you can even add the styling here. Alright, and you can even change the icons here, as you can see here. So you can change the icons from here. Okay, so you can change the style. Alright, and you can change the description, anything you want, and you can even add the other things if you wanted to add. Okay, so let me just edit this. So let me just remove this thing from here. This is how you can customize the checkout page. So let's just update our checkout page here. Okay, and let's just go back here and view the page, and you can easily see the changes here. Okay, you're almost there. This is your own description, we have changed the logo. Okay, alright, so this is it, and this is all for this video. If you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.